Okay, we're ready to install the Frost King insulation blanket around the hot water heater. Before you get started, you're going to want to clean the top of the water heater, and you need some gloves, a dust mask, and some eye protection, and something to cut it with, either a utility knife or some scissors.
So would you go back there and give me a little tug on the other side?
So in this case, it helps to have a second person pulling the blanket around the hot water heater. So we're going to cut a slit so that we can pass the blanket below the T&P valve and the pipe. We're going to wrap it above the gas valve on the bottom as well.
And then once we get it all taped up, we're going to trim the extra off. We want to make sure we have plenty of proper ventilation for this gas water heater.
So we're going to pass the blanket around and above the gas valve.
You may say to yourself, Paul, well, we don't have insulation at the bottom quarter of the tank. Well, that doesn't matter. That's all burner and so forth. The tank is in the top 3/4 of the water heater. I just put on a few horizontal pieces of tape just to hold it in place before I come in and finish taping up this seam.